6X Revolutionary Federation Lapen Building and Other Construction Worker Union tum chelang rapet pen Pahalgam along alam kia puthak pot ningduk chipi dunsi karitang bang kora trokatum aphan milur kaiponsi kachekimo asai kedeng po Monit puvoi phis tame angthin kavetum Pahalgam along kijoi kilangdam bang kora trokatum aphan Thangnat Adai vipin pen risim kangtang pen tengkheng dunsi bang kora trokatum aphan apran armudetlo Bangso penajok West Karbing lo kido 6X Revolutionary Federation amepu mensing teron chunbang harbamon phangchu claim rapet adisang hotum napen halapu building and other construction worker union abitung atum pen Pahalgam along apran kedam bangko atrok tumaphan milur kaiponsi kachekimo pon Napen bangso milur ke kai pen kachekimo pon hut ningduk chipi ponsi pran kedam nang bangko atrok tumakarjong arnamaking rialong kidudun long pamija phan arnamang long chuning ponsi la bangko atrok tumaphan risim kang tang pen pran ke ena tumaphan kang sai pi long letike niletum ning samun ipusi kachekimo asai kedeng ponalong ningje ponenti Phirangkia tumpen kahumri da mahut kaning je ponthuke Pakistan okchum pranasong tumpen Pahalgam along ilitum adet amuni da phan risim kang tang pen ki pathie pot ningduk pik lasilason okchum pranasong tum aphan ke pavir de langji pusi ningduk long thipen phirangkia thengno ningje ponno Halapu 6X Revolutionary Federation of West Karbing long chunbang harbamon phangchu pen tame Pahalgam along alam ke puthak ningkang samsi lam the chipaklang ponno
In remembering them we reaffirm our collective humanity and our resolve to uphold peace even in the face of terror. Once again, we condemn such cowardice act by the terrorists, and we also urge the United Nations Commission for Human Rights for their immediate intervention so that justice is served and peace is prevailed.
Inut alang litum han kapiti. Labang so puthak sinitum ningduk lo. Lapen kanilitum alang litum akar jong. Jom rong so kapedodun long pameya phan nilitum rat pen. Namang no sita me hir jume hang pilo. Lapen labang so ekstremis atuma phan. Angkura polong kaherlang lab ya phansi nilitum
Dong kamu kampen Vicky Bay, Karbing Long Life.